everybody. We have a special guest star today. It's just Angela Brown. She's not coming yet, but yeah. So keep on watching. Hey everybody, say hi. Hi. Angela, stop.
What?
You're being weird.
Not being mean.
You're weird.
Huh?
Okay, ready?
Uh-huh.
So she's been making friends, and tell them what happened in school when you asked a girl to be your friend.
I only got a girl and a boy friend.
Okay, but what did you do about that girl in the bus? Tell them what happened.
We didn't do anything. She showed me that she brings phone to school.
Okay.
She brings
Okay. But when you asked her to be your friend, what did she say?
She just come to my friend. That's
But
all.
before that?
Before that, what? We just came friends, that's all.
But before, you said that she said, no, I have already too much friends.
No, she didn't say that. It was the other kid.
Yeah, that's what the other kid I meant.
Wait, what? Really?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh! That's so what?
And I'll do that harder next time if you don't pay attention.
I am.
Okay, next question. Final question.
Okay, my question is...
Wait, no. Me told you. I got you in the armpit. Okay, ready? Okay, so the final question is...
What's up with my phone?
Angela, come on. Sit down. Just sit down, Angela. You're doing a video.
Sorry.
So,
His nose.
what do you think about makeup?
I think that it's awesome, and I did a good job doing my eyes and my lipstick.
Okay, that's all we have for today. Hello, everybody. Today we have a special guest star, Angela Brown. So, she's not coming yet, but I'm going to tell you why she is here. Because she is... Are you finished?
Coming?
No! Okay, so the reason why she's here is because... Okay, let's just get her in here. Hi. Okay. Okay, ready? So she